Well, pharma companies and device companies in particular really have to understand that their contracting strategy needs to be overhauled, needs to be changed. Fee for service, when we talk about providers, is sort of like the dead horse that you have to dismount as it relates to pharma companies and device companies. They've got to be able to get beyond the transactional relationship of selling the device, selling the drug, and find a way to provide an intervention in addition to the drug that helps improve the cost dynamic for the payer or for the hospital or for the health system, improves the outcome for the patient. And one in particular that comes in mind is adherence. Patients do not take their medication. So, you've gone through all this trouble of bringing a medication to the market, you've convinced the physician to use it, they prescribe the product, and then what does the patient do? They don't take it the way they're supposed to. So anything that the company can do to enhance the offering by ensuring that the patient is actually taking an interest in their own care and complying with the treatment protocol is probably going to help the performance of that product. And if you can capture that performance with some sort of revenue dynamic that you create with your customer, then all the better. Just as an example, there's products out that have pill bottles with microchips in them, and it glows when it's time to take the medication. And if you don't take it, then it glows brighter. And if you still don't take it, then it beeps. And if you still don't take it, then it sends you a tweet and a Facebook. That doesn't actually send a tweet and a Facebook, but it does communicate with your physician, and it communicates with a social advocate that you've sort of put into the computer program that makes it work so that they can help you comply with your medication as well. It's tough to answer to relatives when you're not complying with your medication when they love you. So those are the types of things that they can do. But essentially, pharma companies, life science companies, device companies, they need to put something in place with payers or with health systems that's basically A minus B equals C, and we'll split C. So if A is the cost of care without my intervention, or what you're paying now, and then you agree on what that should look like mathematically, and then you actually provide the intervention, over time you compare what the cost of that care is with not having done it, and then that creates a pool of money. And if you can get a split of that money, then you have greater capability of offering rebates, offering discounts, compromising your own transactional spread so that you can get the back end. Really what we're talking about is betting on the come, putting your money where your mouth is, betting on the results that your product is going to produce. When you're able to do that, then you're going to be able to take advantage of this whole concept of the triple aim that we've been talking about.